today we will discuss differentiation of implicit function. Differentiation of implicit function. Differentiation of implicit functions. Differentiate of implicit function. So what do you mean by implicit function? Function of xy is equal to 0. So y is equal to f of x or x is equal to f of y. So y can be expressed as function of x or x can be expressed as function of x. For example, y is equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. So y is the function of x or x is the function of y. X is the function of y. So this is called as explicit form. So this is called as which form? Explicit form. This is called as explicit form. This is called as explicit form. That means y is the function of x or x is the function of y. So this is called as explicit form. So now we will discuss implicit form. So what is implicit form? So implicit form is defined as f of xy is equal to 0 or f of xy is a constant. That means x cannot be expressed in terms of y cannot be expressed in terms of x, but f of xy is equal to 0. So this is called as implicit form. This is called as implicit form. So for example, suppose we have to write, so x to the power y is equal to sin y to the power x. So here we cannot express x as the function of y or y as the function of x. So this can be expressed as function of xy is equal to 0. So this is called as implicit form. So now, how to differentiate implicit function? So today we will discuss all the important problems. Each problems are council related problem. So all the problems are important. So question: find dy by dx if find dy by dx if sin of x plus y, sin of x plus y, if sin of x plus y is equal to y into cos of x plus y. So here y cannot be expressed in terms of x or x cannot be expressed in terms of y. So this is called as implicit form. So how to find dy by dx? So this implies sin of x plus y by cos of x plus y is equal to y. So divide cos of x plus y. What is that result? So sin of x plus y by cos of x plus y is equal to y. So that is, so what is y? So y is equal to, take this is theta, so sin theta by cos theta is what? Tan of theta. So that is y is equal to tan of x plus y. Y is equal to tan of x plus y. That is here y is also the function of x and y. So differentiate with respect to 2x, we get differentiate with respect to x, we get, so implies, so derivative of y with respect to x. It is denoted by dy by dx, dy by dx. Now is equal to, so this is tan of f of xy. So tan x, what is its derivative? Sec square of x into derivative of x. So tan of x plus y, what is its derivative? Sec square of x plus y into derivative of x plus y. First calculate derivative of tan theta. So what is the derivative of tan theta? Sec square of theta into derivative of theta into d by dx of x plus y. So is equal to, so sec square of x plus y into, so this is u and this is v. So derivative of x plus derivative of y. So what is derivative of x? So derivative of x is 1 plus, what is derivative of y? dy by dx, dy by dx, dy by dx. So this is equal to a whole into b plus c. What is the formula? A into b plus a into c. So what is that result? So sec square of x plus y plus sec square of x plus y into dy by dx. That means c, a is equal to b plus c. So that c take left hand side. So dy by dx take as a common. So what is that result? So dy by dx minus sec square of x plus y into dy by dx. Sec square of x plus y into dy by dx is equal to, so is equal to sec square of x plus y is equal to sec square of x plus y. So implies, so take, so dy by dx as a common. So take dy by dx as a common. So take dy by dx as a common. What is that result? So 1 minus sec square of x plus y, 1 minus sec square of x plus y is equal to sec square of x plus y, sec square of x plus y. So implies, so what is dy by dx? So dy by dx is equal to sec square of x plus y by 1 minus sec square of x plus y, 1 minus sec square of x plus y. So is equal to, so what is the sec square theta formula? So 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square of theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So implies, so 1 minus sec square theta is equal to minus of tan square theta. 1 minus sec square theta is equal to minus tan square theta. Apply here. So sec square of theta, sec square of theta. What is that formula? So 1 plus tan square of x plus y by 1 plus tan square of x plus y by 1 minus sec square theta. What is that formula? Minus here, minus here, take tan square of x plus y. 1 minus sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to minus of 1 plus tan of x plus y is equal to y. So tan square of x plus y, what is that result? So y square by y square. So what is dy by dx? So dy by dx is equal to minus of 1 plus y square by y square. Dy by dx is equal to minus of 1 plus y square by y square. Similarly, for second problem, so if he x to the power y, if he x to the power y, if he x to the power y is equal to e to the power x minus y, if x to the power y is equal to e to the power x minus y, then so that dy by dx, then so that dy by dx is equal to ln of x by ln of ex whole square, ln of x by ln of ex whole square, then so that dy by dx is equal to ln x by ln of ex whole square. So now here function to the power another function. For that case, which rule is applicable? So we have to use the logarithmic function. So now use, so ln of x to the power y is equal to ln of e to the power x minus y implies. So what is the formula? Ln of a to the power b, formula b into ln of a. So y into ln of x, y into ln of x is equal to x minus y into ln of e, x minus y into ln of e. So ln of e, so this result is always 1. So what is that result? So y into ln x is equal to x minus y. So because ln of e is equal to 1. Ln of e is equal to 1. So imply y into ln x minus, take left hand side, plus y is equal to x, y into ln x plus y is equal to x. So this implies, so take y as common. So what is that result? So ln of x plus 1 is equal to x. Ln of x plus 1 is equal to x. So this implies, so y into, so ln of x plus, again 1 means ln of e, 1 means ln of e plus ln of e is equal to x, implies y into, again another formula, ln of a plus ln of b, ln of a plus ln of b is equal to ln of a b. So ln of x is equal to x, ln of x, ln of a plus ln of b is equal to ln of ab, ln of ab. So that is y is equal to, x by ln of x. So that is y is equal to what? Function of x. Y is equal to function of x. So differentiating with respect to x we get differentiating with respect to x we get the derivative of y. So this is dy by dx. Derivative of y dy by dx. So this is u by v. So what is that formula? First v square. So ln of xc whole square. Next v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v. So what is v? So ln of xc into derivative of x. So derivative of x is 1. So v into derivative of u minus u. So what is u? X into derivative of v. So what is derivative? Ln of x formula 1 by x into derivative of x. So 1 by x into derivative of x. So derivative, that means d by dx of x, which is constant. E is a constant. So derivative of x is 1 into e. So this is equal to. So this is equal to ln of x into 1. Ln of x into 1. That means ln of x minus x and x and e. So what is that result? Minus 1. Minus 1 by ln of x whole square. Ln of x whole square. So this is equal to again. So what is the value of 1 in terms of ln? So ln of e is equal to 1. So ln of x minus ln of e by ln of x whole square. Ln of x whole square. So this is equal to, what is that formula? Ln of a minus ln of b. Formula ln of a by b. Ln of a minus ln of b is equal to ln of a by b. So ln of x by ln of x whole square is equal to e and e. So what is that result? So ln of x by ln of x whole square. Ln x by ln of x whole square. So what is dy by dx? So dy by dx is equal to ln x by ln of x whole square. Now, is that getting there?